If negative reviews are killing your bookings, you're losing 30% of revenue in 72 hours and ReputationZilla fixes it in 7 days. Here's the problem: one fake review costs you $4,200 in lost business. Respond to every negative review within 24 hours to stop 40% of damage. Flag policy violations immediately because Google only removes 22% after 48 hours. A competitor leaves a fake 1-star review on your Google profile. Within 72 hours your bookings drop 30%. Your conversion rate tanks because 87% of buyers read reviews before purchase in 2026. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle attacks that cost you thousands per week while you're trying to run your business. Most people fail here. They ignore bad reviews or write angry responses that make it worse. Google's algorithm actually punishes businesses with unresolved complaints by dropping them 3 to 5 spots in local search. With ReputationZilla we respond professionally within 6 hours and file policy violation reports that actually get approved. Check if the review violates Google's content policy. 68% of fake reviews break at least one rule like impersonation, conflict of interest, or fake engagement. Screenshot the violation. Report it through Google Maps using the exact policy code. This takes 12 to 15 minutes if you know what you're doing. Push down negative reviews with fresh positive ones. This is important. You need 5 new verified reviews within 14 days to dilute one bad review's impact. ReputationZilla automates this by sending review requests to your actual customers at the perfect moment, right after a successful transaction when satisfaction is highest. Here's the problem: if you wait longer than 7 days to respond, the review becomes permanent in Google's eyes. 91% of ignored negative reviews stay on your profile forever. Your star rating drops. Your click-through rate falls by 23%. New customers pick your competitor instead. You lose $800 to $2,000 per month in bookings you'll never see. Now here's the exact wording to use when you respond publicly to a fake review. Copy this template word for word. Thank you for your feedback. We have no record of your visit on the date mentioned and cannot verify this experience. We take all concerns seriously and would appreciate the opportunity to investigate. Please contact us directly at your email with your order or booking details so we can resolve this. This does 3 things: shows future customers you care, signals to Google the review might be fake, and forces the liar to produce proof they can't provide. Thank you for your feedback. We have no record of your visit on the date mentioned and cannot verify this experience. We take all concerns seriously and would appreciate the opportunity to investigate. Please contact us directly at your email with your order or booking details so we can resolve this. Respond within 24 hours to stop damage. Report policy violations with exact codes. Stop losing $2,000 monthly, ReputationZilla handles it, link below. Smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete reputation protection guide. Visit ReputationZilla.org.